Hi, I'm Michelle, and this is how to use Dice Hospital in your school or homeschool setting. Dice Hospital is a game in which you are running your own hospital. You're taking in patients, you're treating them, you're taking on new staff, you're taking on new rooms in which to treat your patients. You're running the hospital and you're trying to keep all of your patients healthy. This is a game for ages 10 and up, although you could definitely go down a little lower in the age. It plays in about 45 to 60 minutes, and you can play it with 1 to 4 players. As your students play Dice Hospital, they're going to be practicing managing a limited resource pool. You only have a few staff members, and they can only treat so many patients. They're also going to be making very difficult decisions. Because you can only treat so many patients, sometimes the patients are maybe going to end up in worse health. Maybe you forget to treat a patient and they actually die. So they have to really make some difficult decisions throughout the game. After gameplay, there are a lot of discussions that you can have with your students. You could discuss what some of the medical careers are that they encountered within the game. You could discuss what kind of medical professionals they see on a regular basis. You could discuss what potential medical careers are. You could talk about advances that have been seen in medicine. You can also talk about historical figures that have helped to improve the medical experience for others. What is your favorite resource for covering medical professions or the medical field? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.